Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new update on Shiba Inu. It took some time. I did want to cover Shiba Inu earlier, but I forgot about it a little bit, to be honest. And then yesterday, some people requested it, and I saw some news about it, which I wanted to share with you and just talk about what that means for the price and just in general. It's time for an update, all right? So that's what we'll do. We'll talk about fundamentals, we'll talk about technicals, but most importantly, I'll tell you what I think is most likely to happen from here. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Before we start with Shiba Inu specifically, though, I do want to mention as well that I have my own premium group, Cilinix Premium, in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to an exclusive traders chat room and my trading guide, which will actually allow you to analyze and trade like me. So if you actually want to become a better and more profitable trader, then it might be something for you. But apart from that, like I said, I also just share my own trades. So if you want to check that out, links will be down in the description. But for now, let's get into Shiba Inu. So the news I wanted to talk about obviously has to do a little bit with Shibarium. I haven't heard too much about it. I heard that the bridge is working again, as you can see right now, fully functional. But altogether, it doesn't seem like we're getting a lot of bullish momentum from it. And altogether, it does seem like this was the biggest rally we would get for Shiba. And that might not be popular under Shiba holders and Shiba, well, mainly Shiba holders under this video. But that's what I think. I mean, the market circumstances right here were also better. Now, even though Bitcoin is recovering a little bit, you could say, I don't think Shiba Inu is strong enough to get a rally like this. I think we can get up to like 1,000 right here, but getting all the way up to 1,120 is a bit too high, at least for now. I might change my mind when we get there, but for now, the situation for Shiba is as following. It's pretty neutral. Because what you can see right here is that there definitely is bearish momentum, obviously also coming from the whole crash and stuff. But there's also bullish momentum. And you can also see that the third touch of the trend line, for example, was pretty strong. So altogether, I would say on the short term, Shiba is pretty neutral. And we are in some sort of a market structure like this. I would say the strongest resistance still is this level around 850, which is around the 0.5 FIB. The 200 EMA, so in my eyes, that's the level to break. But still, it's kind of like this, all right? Maybe it's a little bit more like this in terms of market structure. I think this is better. So there's this triangle right here, and Shiba needs to get some sort of a breakout. And I would say it needs to get that breakout in the next 2 days. Today, we have a lot of economic news, which could provide us with enough bullish momentum to actually get a breakout like that. And tomorrow is Friday. I mean, on Fridays are usually very volatile and a lot can happen. So that is what needs to happen, all right? Shiba Inu will probably get some more bullish momentum up towards these levels, around 840, 850, 860. But what needs to happen in the next 2 days is Shiba needs to break above that level right there at around 850, 860. If it can, then we'll get up towards 890 and 920, and a rally is possible, and a rally is likely, all right, after getting that bullish breakout. But if Shiba is not able to get that bullish breakout in the next 2 days, and like I said, these next 2 days are ideal for that, because it's the end of the month, it's the end of the week. Today we have some major economic news. That's usually very, very volatile, all right? So if it doesn't happen today, what will probably have happened is that Shiba has already dropped down all the way to 780. And the moment Shiba is down at 780, it's just going to slowly drop down to 750 and 720. All right, so at this point of time, I definitely think it's still possible to get a bullish breakout, but it does need to happen pretty quickly. If it doesn't happen pretty quickly and we're still at these areas on Saturday, I'd say it's more likely that Shiba will slowly drop down in a downtrend again. But that's my take on it. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.